And your address?
Wait, hold on. I forget it a lot. Can I go read it?
Yeah.
BRB.
Oh my God, seriously?
716
716
52.
52. What's the street?
Butthead Street.
Wow, you're a jerk. Don't call back again. Hello?
Hello?
Diamond?
Hello, this is Doubletree. How can we help you?
Yes.
May I help you, sir?
Yes.
Okay, how can I help you?
No.
Yeah, how can I help you?
Hello?
Yeah, how can I help you?
Is it Chinese restaurant?
Yeah, how can I help you? Yeah.
What?
Yeah,
What can I order?
how can I help you?
What the mean?
This Chinese restaurant, how can I help you, baby?